Hey, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode we're going to do a $20 Walmart Keto on a Budget challenge coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode we're going to do a $20 Walmart challenge with all of my keto on a budget items. I'm super stoked. I'm going to really stretch this $20 bill, but before we dive in, make sure you smash that like button, click subscribe, and sign up for my free weekly Wednesday weight loss keto diet meal plan, my gift to you so you don't have to spend as much money. So here's my list. I've got a good list going. That's tip number one, is have a list. To save money, have a list and stick to the list. I'm hoping I stick to the list because I do tend to get distracted with clearance items. But I am going to spend 20 bucks on my items, but the caveat and disclaimer is I am looking for Palmini Noodles. They are hearts of palm that I use to make my keto Alfredo, my keto lasagna. I have tons of other videos in my Countess of Low Carb playlist for keto meals and easy keto recipes, how to make those things. So I'm looking for Palmini. Let's go start shopping and get our $20 spent for our keto on a budget meals. Y'all knew I couldn't pass the artichokes without getting one. I have a whole video how you make artichokes, an awesome easy keto meal. It's super simple. You can make this bad guy right there really easily. You don't need jaja things. It's so good, and it's so great for ketosis. It's really, really good, and it's a vegetable. Surprisingly, it's a really good vegetable too. I frequently can't find ready avocados. These are only 88 cents. They are perfect. They're going to go on top of my organic baby spinach salad. I'm super stoked. That meal is going to be awesome. I can't wait to show you all of my goodies. So the first thing I'm going to do is start looking for the Palmini Noodles and seeing if I can find them. I'm in the boxed pasta aisle. I doubt it's there, but I'm going to check. And then I'm going to go over to the Walmart dairy section to see if I can start knocking off some of my keto lasagna for my easy keto meals that I have. So let me look to see if I can find these Palmini Noodles. Coleslaw would be a great item to get if you wanted to make it with Keto Ginger's recipe, which is really simple for a great keto meal. In addition, I was looking for the hearts of palm Palmini Noodles down the canned vegetable aisle. I am not seeing it anywhere, but I did find hearts. So I found the hearts of palm. It's almost $2 for the can. I don't know where the Palmini Noodles are. This is exactly what it is, though. It's hearts of palm, and they cut it up into noodles. See the shape of them? I'm afraid I would literally cut my finger off because I am like the Sesame Street chef. So I'm gonna put it back. They do have the Palmini Noodles are usually $6 on Amazon. I have no idea how much they are in Walmart, so put that in the comments below. But I'm gonna put this back because I wanna save my thumb. But it's here in case you wanna use it for your keto pasta. I'm just gonna simply use zucchini or broccoli or another low carb vegetable in place. But this is here, hearts of palm. There you go. You can have that as a substitute. So I was looking for the organic broccoli. They don't have any at my Walmart right now. So I scrubbed this. It's $1 towards my total, my $20 Walmart challenge total. But I do try to get organic frozen vegetables. I can't always get them fresh, but frozen I really do like to buy organic. Again, do the best you can afford. Of course, grass-fed is best. Of course, organic is best, but no guilt, shame combination. Do the best you can afford. So not all ricotta is created equal. I am putting this one back. It's got 6 carbs for 1/4 cup, whereas the Walmart brand only has 3 carbs for 1/4 cup. So this is going back. So the new Aldi butter is actually less expensive than this by $1. So if you're near an Aldi, stock up on your Kerrygold grass-fed butter. They have a new Aldi generic grass-fed butter. It's awesome. It has great macros on it. So I'm putting this baby back and saving it for my Aldi haul. These were the entire reason why I came to Walmart, was for our dog Pork Chop. If you know our dog's Pork Chop and applesauce, Pork Chop's been really sick. He's old, and so anyways, we were getting these. The whole reason why we came to Walmart. So that's not part of my $20 haul though. Let's keep looking for my keto foods. So for price comparison for the heavy cream, there's $3.24 heavy cream, or the generic brand for $2 from Walmart, or the organic heavy cream, again, do the best you can afford, for $4.18. I'm snagging that one. They do have little snack bag size of pork rinds. I was stunned. They have these little single pack varieties of the pork rinds if you like those as a keto snack. They did have like 6 different flavors. I was completely stunned that they had so many different pork rinds. And they do have chorizo. I'm not going to get that today, but I love chorizo for a keto meal and an easy keto meal. It's really delicious to mix together with lots of different type of easy keto meals. Here is the deli section. I'm skipping this because it's so much cheaper to make my own through pot roast or make my own meat. These are $6 per pound, and I can get meat sometimes for $1. Okay, I'm getting sidetracked. Back to our keto foods. How cute are these Halloween outfits? Those are adorable. Walmart's got some cute pajamas. Am I the only one that gets deterred up by sparkles? Look how cute these shoes are. And these sparkle ones, they're only 15 bucks. And these are only $5. Those are cute. Those are adorable, by the way. They do also have backpacks on clearance. Look, this backpack's only 6 bucks. We are going pumpkin picking soon. I really want to get a pumpkin, but I'm not going to. I'm going to stick laser focus to my keto shopping list. Okay, let's do a breakdown of all of my Walmart keto foods that are going to help keep us in ketosis. Here's my list. Here's what I've been shopping on. I'm excited to see how it all pans out with my budget, my $20 challenge. But I have my meals. I'm going to be doing either a keto lasagna, a keto meatball dish. I also have some bacon wrapped poppers that I'm going to use too. So I got lots of goodies. I'm going to show you all of my goodies when I get home too. But here's the breakdown. I got some mint. If you are an avid Diet Coke drinker or some sort of sugar-free drinker, mint with sparkling water has helped me get off the diet soda. And so I added this. It's $2 for the organic mint. I got my $2.80 organic spinach. This will be several meals for our family because it has so much potassium, which we need for ketosis. We absolutely, our bodies require on the ketogenic diet, magnesium and potassium. So I grabbed a container of this. I did get my $1 frozen broccoli florets. We like to have these just in our house as grabbies to have. I'm gonna go home. I'll go home and break down everything that I got you. The music here is really loud, so I'm gonna go home and show you everything I got in my keto haul. Okay, I'm back home from my $20 Walmart challenge of all the keto foods and all the keto goodies I got. I'm so pumped to show you. These are gonna be on my $20 Walmart challenge, part of easy keto meals. It's gonna be so simple for you, so simple for me. Who likes simple? Put in the comments below simple if you like easy. I know I do. But let's kind of go through and dissect what was the $20 I bought and how am I going to use that to make lazy keto meals and easy keto meals. So the first thing I got was some organic heavy cream. I did get this for my Countess of Low Carb Alfredo. I have another separate video of how you make that, but it's really simple. You make it with a heavy cream, with some cream cheese, and of course organic is best, but do the best you can afford. Grass-fed is best, but do the best you can afford. We get our meat grass-fed from a local CSA, meaning a monthly grass-fed meat from a local farmer, so I can literally see the cows. I can see that they're humanely raised, so we don't purchase our meat really anymore from grocery stores unless I find a really, really good deal like I did in my ALDI keto grocery haul that either came out or is coming out. Check that one out of the great deal I got on meat, but I digress. So normally we get our grass-fed meat, so I would use these in conjunction with my grass-fed meats that I've already purchased. But the cream cheese was 89 cents. That is a comparable price, or 79 cents. It's comparable to Aldi's cream cheese, but Aldi has a new whipped cream cheese that has high protein in it, but keto is high fat, moderate protein, low carb. So minding that we're not having too much protein is a big fallacy that a lot of people have. It's the error that they make of having too much protein. I eat too many eggs, but I had to get my organic cage-free eggs. Y'all have told me, and this is something full disclosure and authenticity, I get confused between the cage-free, the organic, the grass-fed, the this, the that. I just need to purchase them locally because I can see the chickens running around eating the bugs. So buying it at Walmart, I just needed to grab something, but full disclosure, I get confused too. And you guys write in the comments and tell me such nice feedback of what I should be getting in terms of eggs, but I still get confused on it. So erring on the side of, I don't know quite, I got the organic cage-free brown eggs, I don't know. So there you go. I just want the animals to be humanely treated. So I got that. I'm going to make that in an egg salad meal, which is super simple. We like having hard-boiled eggs as a snack for my little 4-year-old. Having those in, same thing for my hot husband. I like having these prepared so they can grab it as opposed to say like grabbing a granola bar or grabbing like some other crap food. I would rather them grab a hard-boiled egg that I've prepared in my Instapot or on the stove, like just having it like a keto meal prep. For me, it makes my heart happy knowing that they have keto snacks. It's not necessarily mine because I found that when I had hard-boiled eggs, I would get way too much protein for my keto macros, and that would stall my weight loss. So I don't do that necessarily for myself anymore, but more so for my family. I did get a whole bunch of discounted sausages, so we're gonna have egg and sausage for one of our easy keto meals. And for keto on a budget, having breakfast for dinner one night each week is a great cost savings technique. Next thing I got was my organic baby spinach. 2 cups of these each meal, baby. 2 cups of these each meal because of the potassium will help muscles. I frequently, if I'm not careful, will get muscle cramps on the ketogenic diet. When I am in ketosis with intermittent fasting and with the ketogenic diet, I get muscle cramps if I am not diligent to make sure I have my electrolytes in, my potassium in. So having 2 cups of spinach, for me, it feels good to eat it. Some of y'all are carnivore and that's not your jam because you're eating only meats. For me, I like investing into having organic spinach. So let's see here. Oh, it's saying 1 package. The macros are weird on this. Basically 2 cups is a very low net carb amount. I like putting it with olive oil, so it's high fat, apple cider vinegar, making that my dressing, with some blue cheese crumbles and some walnuts. That is a delicious keto meal. It's easy and it's inexpensive for keto on a budget. So this is always on my jam. Next thing I got is they had a perfect avocado for 88 cents. I did get that and I probably will put that on top of my salad one day. In addition to the walnuts, the blue cheese, it all flows together to make a great keto meal, an easy keto meal. Next thing I got was mint. I talked about this already. Being a former Diet Coke person, this helps me with my sparkling. I have my soda stream over there with sparkling water or seltzer water, just putting some of these organic mint sprigs into my water, letting it sit overnight if you don't have like the bubbles in it. Just having straight up, it's like when you go to the spa, oh, I can smell it. Like the smell just like wave through. It's like spa water. You can put a little cucumber in your water and let it sit overnight. It probably shouldn't have more than like a day of sitting, but when it's infused, I love it. Love it. Next thing I got was a zucchini. I'm gonna use this for my keto pasta. You'll see with the ricotta cheese. There's a big old tub of ricotta. I'm gonna make a keto lasagna and a keto pasta out of it. You simply just shred these or cut into fine slices, mix it with some ground beef or some sausage. This is, and I said in the store already, but the macros, 1/4 of a cup are 3 carbs. The other packaging is deceptive because it looks higher end. Get the generic version. Less carbs for it, less sugars, less is more. So this is the one that I got. Next, I got a bag of organic broccoli. It's not organic. I wanted organic broccoli florets, which I usually get from Aldi, but this was only $1. We needed some broccoli, so I snagged it. I like having this with some grass-fed butter on top. It's so good as a keto side with a keto meal, and it's easy, right? Like this is really simple to cook. Next I got was if you have not seen my artichoke video, some people confused by these things. Get your artichokes. They are good. They're good and they're easy. You just steam them and then you simply pull off the leaves of them and put them in between your teeth, dip them in butter. It's a high fat, awesome, easy keto meal in itself. It's an artichoke. It's so good. So good. And I don't get them organic because of the thick coating on the outside. That may be a mistake, but for my organic items like broccoli, I'll get organic, and other things that are more, or like zucchini, I try to get organic and things like that. But this one, I really don't get organic because of the thick shell on the outside, because you're literally eating on the interior of it. Some people may disagree with me on that, but that's what I do. And it was under $2. So this in itself, and I usually have it with the butter, the grass-fed butter, this, and then I'll have it with a little bit of protein, some meat. Next, I got some asparagus, and I'm gonna wrap this around bacon, put a little cream cheese on it, put that in my air fryer. It's gonna be amazing. And it's a great low carb treat. Maybe I got this from Aldi. I did it in my, here's a YouTube editing error. I got this from Aldi. Put it in my Walmart haul. That's okay. Go check out my Aldi video that I have. I do batch filming, just FYI. So anyways, I did get this. It will be for an air fryer video, but it was under 20 bucks for these. It was just a fill-in for this week's keto meals. What I like to do is a big bulk shopping haul, getting my grass-fed meat from our local farmer, and making sure we get organic vegetables best we can from like the farmer's market locally, and then filling in here and there from a fill-in. So this is a fill-in haul. It was my $20 Walmart challenge. Walmart did a good job. I'm impressed. I'm impressed with myself. I give myself a pat on the back. Your question of the day is, what's your favorite Walmart food? What's your favorite Walmart food? I got a bunch of clearance stuff too. Do you guys want to see that? Should I put that in here? Put in the comments below. I'll do another video on my clearance finds. I found some really cool Walmart clearance things too, if that is your jam. But if you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Make sure you click subscribe and sign up for my free weekly Wednesday weight loss. It's my keto diet meal plan. Each week, my gift for you. What am I eating to lose the 83 pounds that I've lost? You can do it too, my friends. You can do it too. Let's make it a powerful day. Bye, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button, click subscribe, and don't forget to sign up for my free weekly Wednesday weight loss keto diet meal plan, my gift to you on the ketogenic diet. Make it a powerful day. Bye, guys.